In this video, we're going to learn how to print paper walk lists. This is great for people who are not using Minivan or for people who want a paper backlist just in case their phone dies. So to start with, we're going to go to TERFs under Canvassing, select that, and we're going to use the filters to find the correct TERF. So we should remember the name of the folder we saved our TERFs into, select that, and here we'll be able to see every map region and every TERF in that folder. Once you've found the correct region, which is the name for all the TERFs together, we're going to head to the drop-down menu on the right and select Print Region. Now what we're going to do is format the TERF packet. First, we select a report format. Now, if you don't know the name of the report format or what you should be using, contact your data manager or your lead organizer, and they should be able to tell you. For today, we're going to be using our default walking list. And then next we're going to choose a script. The script will be printed at the beginning of all the packets as a reference for your volunteers. So it's again really important that you check that you're using the right script before you print this. Next, we're going to select how are they being contacted. Usually this will be a walk, but there are other options. For example, a paid walk or a volunteer walk. Then we're going to name the packet. You want to name the printout something very easy to remember, something that's very useful, so that when you have multiple TERFs and you're sorting out your printouts, you know where you're sending your canvassers. Okay, so once we've done all that, we're going to leave the sort order as it is. Make sure that we've selected Print People and Print Map and Print Footer, and then click Next. From here, we've generated our TERF packet, and we're going to click on this link to My PDF Files to access our PDFs to download. Alternatively, you can go on the main menu and search for My PDF Files. So once we're here, we can see all the downloaded files we have. We're going to click on the link to download the file, and here we see our TERF packet. So at the beginning of the packet, there is a summary that lists each TERF and has an option for you to add a canvasser and their phone number, their time in and out, and their results so that you can keep track of them. This is really important because you want to make sure that all of your canvassers are safe, and you want to have a way to contact everybody when they're out on their walks. So be sure to fill this out and keep it handy. The next page is the summary I referenced earlier. So it has the Canvas results key and the GOTV key so that when your canvassers are on the go, they'll understand what all the abbreviations in the packet are. It also provides you the script. So if your canvassers get lost or need some help, they can just flip to this beginning page to decipher what a DC might mean or what an MV might mean, as well as what to say if they get stuck. The next thing you're going to see is the map. Every canvasser will have a map of their TERF with all of the houses they need to knock on plotted out. This can be really great when you get turned around and you need some directions. It also gives you a great sense of how big the TERF is. After this, we're going to be seeing the actual canvassing packet itself. You'll see each address everywhere you need to go with all the appropriate survey questions and things for you to fill out. Additionally, take note of the polling location, which is printed at the top of each page, so that you can inform any of your voters who ask about this. And finally, the bottom contains the name of your TERF, the TERF number, and your list number, so if you get lost, you can always reference that. Or if your canvassers come back and they give you all of your walk sheets, you have a way to sort everything out.